Hey viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Makeup Looks. I hope you will find and always be happy in your life. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos I will show you trendy makeup and hairstyle ideas all over the world which makes you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest makeup and hairstyle ideas, friends, then watch my video till the end. Friends, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. You will be notified by my new videos. As you guys all know, makeup mainly is used to change or enhance the way we look, to feel more confidence and also to hide our imperfections. Makeup can be termed as a cosmetic device that is used to prettify or add color to your face. On the other hand, makeup can give us a confidence boost. A lot of us feel we look our best when we have got a full face makeup on. It helps us define features that would not otherwise be prominent without makeup. Guys, watch my video till the end so that do not miss any makeup and hairstyle ideas. And if you want to get this look, take a screenshot of a makeup look and hairstyle and hair dye which you want. By saving the picture, you can easily get this makeup look from any salons. After watching the video, you must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my videos, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for makeup and hairstyle and hair dye which you want. I will be very happy to follow your comments and I will make a video for you. Thank you so much guys for trusting me. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. And if you share my videos on your social media accounts, share it with your friends so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing videos and get these amazing ideas for makeup and hairstyle. I will continue making more informative videos. Bye bye.